Hello. I'm the Sobe spokesperson. Not really, I'm just kidding. But I'm practicing it for an audition. I'd like to do my own thing. My upper lip is probably sweating right now. Sweat and it's Sobe. So I got playing hacky. Get my hacky. That's me. Playing hacky. Okay, so it's an exercise for me. Oh shit, that was sick. You know why? Because of Sobe. I'm not here to tell you this drink's better than any other drink out there. And I'm not saying that a certain drink will make you run 10 miles on 2 hours sleep. I'm just here to let you know some drinks keep you healthier than other drinks. And some of these drinks don't need to overexpose a certain celebrity's fame. This looks good though, it tastes really good. And it's not like this drink here will allow you to do 1,000 pinky push-ups like that dude Mike in Queens, New York. The only thing I can say is Sobe. Try it. Stuff's good. Okay.